you put that uniform on, you better come to work. We will be perfect in every aspect of the game. Perfection. Let's go to work.